Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to change your Gmail account password on Android. In today's world, it's very important to keep your passwords secure and updated. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open your device's Settings app and tap on Google. From there, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account page where you can manage your account settings. Step 2. At the top of the page, tap on Security. This will open the Security page where you can manage your account's security settings. Step 3. Under the Signing into Google section, select Password. If you're not signed in already, you'll need to enter your credentials to sign in. This will take you to the Password page where you can change your Gmail account password. Step 4. Once you're on the Password page, enter your new password. Keep in mind that when you enter your password on mobile, the first letter isn't case sensitive. After entering your new password, tap on Change Password to save your new password. Step 5. If you're running Android 5.1 and up, there's an important note to keep in mind. After changing your password, you'll need to wait 24 hours before doing a factory reset. This is a security measure implemented by Google to protect your account. It's important to note that changing your Gmail account password on Android will also change it on any other device that you're signed into with the same account. So, it's always a good practice to change your passwords regularly to keep your account secure. In conclusion, changing your Gmail account password on Android is a simple process that can help protect your personal information and keep your account secure. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.